Hi, welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today? Do you know?
Art bread.
Art bread. Did someone send us this recipe?
You.
Yeah, I did. I created it, right? Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, there's like that trend that's going on where people are making their own sourdough bread and they're making focaccia bread artwork, and I thought, oh, that's really cool, but there's no way I'm gonna like take the time to make my own bread. So I thought, but hey, we can still do it. What if I bought pizza dough bread? Would that work, or pizza dough? And I found pizza dough, not plugging this person, but we found it at Walmart. I'm sure Publix or whatever your grocery store has it as well. So we are going to make art bread today. So taking that, for example, let's go over the ingredients, Kaylee, because for those of you that, wait 1 second, for those of you that may or may not know, focaccia art bread is using fresh vegetables and herbs to decorate the bread. Okay, now let's go over those.
So we have onions.
Green onions.
Green onions.
Yep, this is fresh
Fresh basil. Roses.
Roses or rosemary?
Rosemary.
Yep, we got zucchini.
Zucchini.
Noodles or zoodles.
Pepperoni.
Yeah, pepperoni, or that's salami because you picked salami this time.
Salami.
And then we bought different colored
Tomatoes.
So that we can make our decoration, and olives, right?
And olives.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're going to spread the dough. So actually, we probably need to get some spray on our hands, right, Kay? Our hands are clean. I'm gonna let Kaylee do this part. I already sprayed the pan. Now, you're gonna knead it out and make it spread to the whole pan. And you have to kind of pull it like this, you guys. It's kind of, you gotta stick your fingers in it.
Yes, like an art.
And spread it out like Play-Doh. Kaylee thinks it's like Play-Doh. Okay? Stretched out the pizza dough to fit the full pan. I think this is a 9 by 13 pan, I hope. Anyways, go ahead, Kay. Kaylee is brushing it with olive oil and Italian seasoning. I just mixed about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning in with the olive oil, and she's gonna bread it because focaccia bread, or the bread, is supposed to be really oily, you know, and that when it cooks. So make sure you get all the spots. So what I thought we would do, which would be fun for this art bread, would be to create Picasso's friendship bouquet. Bouquet of peace. And I thought, given the times and everything that's going on right now, I thought that would be pretty neat. So we're gonna see if we can replicate this with our vegetables and herbs. Ready? All right, so Kaylee's got it decorated, so now we're gonna start on the decorating. So we got the onions. I'm gonna make this part so you kind of know, and this is how easy, you guys, it is. You just kind of, it doesn't have to be perfect. Kaylee, you start on the tomatoes. Where are you gonna put the, remember you use this part first to kind of, here, I'll start one for you. How about right there? And then where's the other one? Look at the picture. Right about there, okay? All right, and right, we use the different colored tomatoes. Go ahead.
So you may do this for your own art project.
Oh, I messed up. Okay, so we're gonna make the flowers and all around. Okay. Got one up there. Okay, we're gonna put something else besides tomatoes?
Yeah, olives.
We're gonna put the olives around this one. Oh, in the center? Okay, that's a good idea.
I put the olive in the center.
Okay. Oh, I put them upside down. All right, you guys, well, you know, this is...
You're learning, Mom.
I'm learning, you got that right. Okay, wait, you got a lot of olives. Daddy doesn't like those. Okay.
And we have olive.
Okay, so what about the pepperoni? Okay, put your pepperoni. Okay, so Kaylee and I completed our artwork, our art bread, and we're gonna pop it in the oven and see how it cooks. It's 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna check it out. Hi, thought while the art bread is cooking in the oven that we would talk about Picasso. Kaylee, what do you know about Picasso?
He's the artist.
He's an artist, that's right. And he was, he made Cubism
Yep.
popular.
Popular.
All right, but this is one of his paintings. He was also, or drawings. This was called the Bouquet of Peace, because in Picasso's later years of his life, he became more involved in promoting peace and advocating for peace internationally. And actually, he also has the sign of the dove was a drawing that he did that actually is an emblem for the sign of peace. That's an international emblem for the sign of peace. So I think what this picture represents with everything that's going on in the world is that it's, from what the description said, it's kind of the flowers because they're brightly colored like new birth and hope, and that it's childlike in a sense that we, are, maybe for love and harmony and your giving, and that we need to be united for each other, and that it's about friendship and love, and that we need to
be nice and be kind to everybody.
Right.
And people from dying say, like, prepare of walking in the street.
Oh, people are protesting?
Yes.
Yeah, so we all kind of need to know that we all need to, it's about loving each other, right? And respecting each other.
Mm-hmm.
And world peace, and I think it begins with that, right? So we hope that our art bread comes out looking like this. We don't know because you never know.
Good.
But we still got some minutes on the timer, so we'll have to see how it goes. So we've just pulled it out of the oven, and I did want to mention that I upped the oven to 450. I think that it came out pretty. It's I think this would be fun to serve. So what do you think, Kay? Can you see it?
I like it.
Our vegetable bread. So while that cools down before we have lunch, what do we need to say?
I say, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more recipes,
Please do.
Please do. And
did you like this project?
yes.
Was it fun? So this edible art.
Yeah, and you may make it when you have your friend over. You may make it when you have a party.
Yeah. Are we having parties right now with COVID?
Nope.
No, but we'll have a party with our own family. Anyways, thank you for joining us. Enjoy, encourage learning while creating yum. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.